So, hello everybody. How are you doing today? This is Mike. You know Mike. ASMR Mike. He can talk you to sleep. Hey, just having a little fun here. Um, we got up to I got up to 4,000 subscribers yesterday, and today is the 14th of March, 2021, and I really back to normal here. Um, I'm testing out some gear also here, so I can live stream and do some other stuff, maybe some podcasts in the future. I don't know. My mind is like a. Do you guys ever have a? Do you ever see a box of ping pong balls? Well, I really haven't either, but that's like my head all the time. Ping pong balls, just. So, anyways, that being said, I got up to 4,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate everybody's watching me and subscribing, and I appreciate all the comments and whatnot. Everybody's been most gracious with their comments and just watching and putting up with my antics and my weird sense of humor. It is unique because that's who I am, Unique-o Michael. And so what I'm planning on doing here is I hope I can get all of you guys together to start saying, hey dude, turn on this Michael J. Berg guy. He's pretty cool. You know, watch what he does. You know, you might learn something. And hopefully we can get up to 5,000. Five grand. Not in money. Subscribers. So if we can do that, that'd be awesome. And so I'm going to do a giveaway. And maybe you guys want to know what it's like or what it's like. You know what it's like. You live life every day. It's like a bowl of cherries. So besides all that nonsense, I'm going to do a giveaway if we can get up to 5,000 here in the next. I don't know. Let's shoot for a month. I guess there's some software, hardware, or app or something I can punch in, and I'll figure that all out in the meantime because I don't think it'll go that fast. But do you want to know what I'm giving away? Do you? Well, I have to put on my spectacles so I can see what I'm doing and show y'all. Okay, maybe way back when we saw some stuff. You hear that? Fine, genuine leather. Pretty good microphone. Anyway, so I'm going to give away this clock. This is something I made. This is a transmission coupling device between an engine on a Ponza and a splitter box on a harvester. Big rubber goes in here to take up the pump dampening diesel knock block back and forth motion. They wear out. We put them new ones in, and this is all aluminum, and that other giant piece is a rubber, and the rubber wears out, and then we got to put a new rubber in. Put a new rubber on so you don't get a hole in it. Whatever. And this is a pistone from a Perkins that was sliced in half because I sliced it in half. And then I just, through the wrist pin hole, I put a clock movement, and I put brass pins here for your 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, rock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Yeah, I am that weird. So anyways, I'm practicing a little bit with this microphone and this camera I got, and hopefully I'll be doing a live stream soon, and now I got it figured out. This is like the fourth take because I didn't have the right button pushed to turn it in from a MKV file to a MP4 file, and now here we got it, and the struggle is real. I think I should just talk to myself all day long because it's kind of cool. So anyways, thanks for watching. You guys are the best. The guys, I really appreciate the comments all the time, and the thumbs up is just. I've got one video out there that Timber Pro something or another that's just going nuts, which is cool. I do know from what I can see on YouTube studio. Oh, go over to Josh Wellner. He's a crab boat fisherman. Little known guy, but he's always on my channel commenting, and I appreciate it. And he's got his own channel. He's from back east there, you know. And who else was I going to shout out to? Well, Nutsy and Stump Humper, Jumper. My guys call him Stump Humper. Anyways, of course, Loggerway, Jay Pater, Elite Earthworks, Jason works a lot. Yeah, he does. MLH, Burning Dinosaurs, Fat Dan. He's kind of an oddball like me, I think. Well, I think so. Anyhow, go check them guys out, and yeah, get back to me here. I mean, get back to me. Just watch the video, subscribe, and tell your friends and neighbors, and we'll try to give that thing away. When we do, I'll be looking for you. I'll put you on America's Most Wanted list, and we'll get a address. And well, no, if they had addresses, they'd get caught. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and let's see what happens. I appreciate everything you guys do for me and the support. It's been really, really fun. Everybody out here is awesome in YouTube world. That, you know, for the most part, everybody's awesome. So, all right, that's it. That's my little video for this Sunday. We will see you later. See ya, bye.